how to set your own voice in Qwen AI. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and short tutorial. In this simple tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can set your own voice in your Qwen AI studios. So for that, first head on to the chat.qwen.ai, which is the official address for the Qwen studios. And once you are here, simply click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then from here, click onto the settings option, and within settings, click onto the general option, and within general, click onto the voice option. So select the selected voice, and from here you will see these options. So currently the spoken language is English, and we have the female voice, male voice, and then you will see this my voice option. Now within my voice, you need to click onto create voice, and from here, either if you want, you can clone your voice. So in case you have some voice samples, you can simply use those voice samples to create a replica of the same voice, or instead you can also choose to design your own voice. So you can generate a unique voice by adjusting attributes. So if you click onto the design option, from here you can simply type in the prompt like young British female, cheerful, energetic, and perfect for commercials. Or from here you also have the preview text option like hello, I am your new custom voice, type something to let me speak. So it will basically pick out the same, and then you will need to click onto this generate button in order for the prompt and preview text to be read aloud. So that was all to it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.